Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of tech. Over today in this video I just want to show you how to hard reset, reinstall the firmware version of your Android device to solve all the problems you got on your Android phone. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, you will need USB cable to connect your phone to your PC. After that, just go download the Droid kit from the link just here on my video description below. After that, you will find out here on Droid kit, which is the system fix, and you have a lot of other options you can use it. By the way, I'm just going to show you the system fix option. Click to start, then click over here on start again. Then you're gonna just get information about how to get the code of your phone. So by the way, click on next, and this is the code I talk about you will get from your Android device. So if you don't want to get this code, if you don't know how to get, just fill the box with any number you want like this. So then go click on download the full firmware, but it's not going to download the firmware because you don't write the right code. So here it's just gonna download it manually from this website by typing the Android device model on this website. So I just already downloaded it by typing my phone number model over here on the box, and then I'm just going to click to add it manually. So here we go, this is the firmware just downloaded, and just going to take my phone in downloading mode. What I'm going to do, just click on next, but before this you have to take your phone in downloading mode. To keep that, press power button, volume down button, and the middle button of your Android device, and you can see I got my phone in downloading mode. Then click on volume up button, and here it goes, now in downloading mode. What you're gonna do, click on next, and it's now fixing the system issues. So once it has been done, exit from the tool you just got on your PC. So here we go, my phone's just installed the firmware. I cut all of that parts and my phone's ready to use, and every problem will be fixed after all and will be resetted even the firmware version. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.